more pa. Hello guys. Today is our day 1 here in South Korea. It's currently around 5 p.m. here. Ito kami sa Seoul Tower and this is the first destination na pinuntahan namin kasi pagkagaling namin sa airport, we just ate lunch and then dumiretso na kami dito. Sobrang lapit lang niya but it's so steep. Pagod ka na. Pagod na siya, guys. I'm freezing. Bye.
Bye.
Hindi ko na maramdaman yung kamay ko, guys. Looks even better at night. Lamig. Ah, may picture. Video. Ang gaganda naman. Guys, nag-ikot-ikot kami dito sa Hongdae Street. And it's around 7:40. And nag-wait kami right now na mag-arrive yung bus namin to pick us up and take us to dinner. Kaya freezing cold talaga. Good morning guys! So, andito kami ngayon sa ski equipment rental thingy. Oh yeah, come with us. Now we have to look for gloves. I'm gonna show you my whole outfit. It's nice, right? Sana yung kukunin ko, but hindi kasi sa akin yung pants niya. Ito na. Frozen monkey is nuts, bro.
No, I am the.
Hello.
This
Wait.
the map. So we're over there and over there. A1, that's ours. That's ours. We're going on the A1.
Yeah. What are we, minors? Ay, nako. Nagsiski ako right now. Ang masasabi ko lang, ayoko na. It's fun. Madali lang siya actually. Pero, ang galing bumaba, pero ang hirap bumakyat. Kasi magsiski na pababa. And then, buhat ko na ito ngayon. Pabalik sa taas. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm using no hands, bro. We can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Oops. It's fun. I swear, I would die if hindi pala nagre-record to. Pagod umakyat dito. Sobrang ganda. And sobrang lamig. No, I'm gonna take more photos, I guess. Right here. Ay, hello po. Okay lang po.
Ikaw yung only namin eh.
Nanginginig pa. Ang ina na initan. Yabang gago. Dali ako na. Oo, bumaba siya. Parang nasa ano ka lang, pre ah. Sa creek lang.
Ganda, pag may lasok.
Parang nag-iayal na ako.
Nandigas na, yun ang mahal.
Kailangan tutuloy.
Sakay. Ano mo, anghang.
Akala ko masarap. Nakasama mo ba yung cheese? Cheese ba yun? Cheese ba yan? Ilagay mo kasi lahat eh.
Hindi ko naman, wala ko naman sinabi.
Ay, hindi ka ba kumakain ito?
Hindi.
Wala ko. Kaya first time mo lang? Ay, awit. Oo, buka pala eh. Ilagay mo lahat eh.
Hindi yan lahat.
Hindi.
Palit tayo.
Ay, lahat to, lahat. Kadiri.
Ano siya, guys? Ano lasa? Lemon.
Lemon.
Sarap siya.
Ano?
Ito, sarap siya.
Hindi na ako makakaintindi. Naman lasa nga.
Hindi lasang gin, no? Merong hint lang.
Papainit pa talaga ng katawan. Ulo ko yung umiinit eh. Ang anghang.
Ready.
Mr. Beast, I like your chocolate.
Wala pa nga. Bakit tumawa ka pinatila ko? Hugasan kaya to?
Siya ro. Ala, puy! Puy!
Good morning, guys. Today is the 4th day. And I'm so tired because we stayed out late last night just hanging around sa labas. 3.5 hours lang yung tulog ko. Definitely worth it.
I'm always dreaming about you. The price on the paper, you can send it.
Be the guide and meet you, right? At the time, I hope everybody please
I'm
get a
always
tip.
dreaming
Just like North Koreans
about
tour, yeah. And same as me, even though I have breakfast coupon, I always skip my breakfast. Yeah. Red time gallery here, so that's why
I'm always
maybe.
dreaming about
Sa Baguio, hamog lang.
I'm always dreaming about
So, nanggaling na kami sa parang ginseng place. So now we're here. But we're not doing the hanbok thing kasi sobrang lamig.
Why are you recording every time?
Bang daw sabi ni Mark.
Go show your food at least.
Be happy. We are at Myeongdong and grabe, ang hirap mamili kasi sobrang daming tao, literal na sobrang chaotic. But this is what I have so far. Parang nag-splurge ako sa Daiso but we only had like 2 hours to shop. So, hindi ko rin nabilan lahat. But I don't know. This is so stressful. Why are you making that face? You look like you're being forced to eat.
Can you stop talking and let me lock in?
Okay, fine. Lock in. No.
I'm gonna drink water.
Stop talking then. Lock in.